love the way you push, and you know I'm willing to take it all. My air mattress squeaks, pushing on the hardwood floor. The floorboard shake, and so do I. And all of our love making and anticipation. It's crazy how love works. Never thought it would be you, never thought it would be him. But here we are in the middle of the day, making love like there's no tomorrow. Chicken not defrosted in the kitchen sink. Incense burned down to its core. Burn marks on the kitchen floor. Love making so intimate. I used to be timid, but you showed me what real love is and how I should be loved. You push, I push back, you shove. Oh baby, I'm in love. You push, I shove. I push back, I push. Oh hey, you shove. We still stand strong.
Ghetto love, ghetto friendships. Now you got me the same way you call me, baby. You gotta keep me. I'm low maintenance, I don't need much. Just your gentle touch and your attention. Not to mention all those late night rendezvous at the lake. No mistake, we are lovers, no mistake. How you make me feel. Whenever you ready, baby, I'm ready to close the deal. Of course I'm gonna wife you, but only when you're ready. And when you're ready, I'm ready. In the meantime, in between time, let's try to make it last forever. Baby, you got me going and it's in the right direction. You keep pushing, I'll keep holding. This is what love feels like. Chicken not defrosted in the kitchen sink. Incense burned down to its core. Love making sacred bodies intertwined. You showed me how love can redefine in my mind. You push, I shove, I push back. Oh hey, oh hey, yeah. You shove, I shove. We still stand strong. Oh baby, I'm in love. Oh hey, yeah. Oh hey, yeah. Oh, oh hey, yeah. But it's divine. Let the drums remember us, baby.